All right, welcome. Today, we are going on a bit of a scavenger hunt, a safari, if you will, through the beautiful Arabic script. And our mission, it's to find what is, I think, the easiest letter you will ever learn. Ready to jump in?
So, are you up for the challenge? I promise you, it is way simpler than you might think. By the end of this, you're going to have a new superpower, the ability to spot this letter absolutely anywhere.
Every great hunt needs a target, right? And ours is this letter, right here. Its name is wow. Go ahead and say it. Wow. This is the one we're looking for.
So officially, wow is a letter in the Arabic alphabet. But don't even worry about pronunciation or any complex rules right now. All you need is the one little secret to its shape, and that secret is that it looks almost exactly like a number you use every single day.
And here it is. This is the big secret. Just look at this side by side. On the left, the good old number 9. On the right, the letter wal. Do you see it? Wal is just a slanted, kind of italicized number 9. Once you see that, you can't unsee it. That's the entire key to this whole hunt.
Okay, so we know what our target looks like. But before we just jump right into the hunt, we need to understand its behavior. How it acts out in the wild. Or, in this case, inside of a word. There are just a few simple rules you gotta know. Now, listen up, because this is the most important thing to know about wow. It's what I like to call an introverted letter. It's kind of a loner. At the start of a word, it just stands by itself. If it's in the middle or at the end, it will only connect to the letter that comes before it. You see that? It never holds hands with the letter that comes after it. It only looks backward. That is a massive clue for our hunt. We know what it looks like, an italicized 9. We know how it behaves. It's an introvert. Well, it's time. The Great WALM Hunt is officially on. Let's pull up our map. Our hunting ground is really special. We're looking at a verse from the Quran that's famous for being the shortest verse to contain every single letter of the Arabic alphabet. That makes it the perfect training ground. I mean, if we can spot the wow in here, we can spot it anywhere. And we're off. Keep those eyes sharp. And there it is. Our first sighting. A perfect standalone wall. And wait a second, look really closely right after it. You can see another little tiny one right there. That's 2 already. We're just getting started. Let's keep moving down the line. There's another, and this one is a perfect example of our rule. See how it's connected to the letter before it, but not after? That's our little introvert in action. And just a little bit further, another one by itself. And another. See, they're popping up all over the place now. Whoa, look at this. We've hit a wafau cluster. Let's see, there's one connected here, and oh, look at that teeny tiny cute little wafau right there. And another one just a little bit further on. This is fantastic. They really do come in all shapes and sizes, but that core italicized 9 shape is always, always there. We're in the final stretch now. Keep those eyes peeled. Scanning, yes, there's another one, and another. And look, 2 more right next to each other, right near the end. What a find. I think. Yes, that's the last one. What an incredible hunt. We did it. And with that, mission accomplished. Congratulations. For real, you just successfully tracked and identified one of the most common letters in the Arabic script. You've unlocked a new superpower. So, what was our final count in that single, incredible verse? The grand total is 18. We spotted 18 WAs together. That's absolutely incredible. So let's recap what this really means. This wasn't just a game. You can now reliably recognize the letter wow, even in complex script. You understand its unique introverted connection rule. This is a genuine, foundational first step toward being able to read Arabic. That's huge.
You've seen how it's done, you know the secret, and you've learned the rules. So now the real challenge begins. Go back to the start of the hunt and pause it. Can you find all 18 of those walls all by yourself? Give it a try.